Hi, welcome. Today we will be going to learn English speaking. If you don't know the meaning of any word, you can see it here as it is clearly written in Hindi. And if you want to understand the pronunciation, here is the pronunciation. This is the conversation between two people, and the use of will, shall is given. Govind, will you play? Ram, no, I wouldn't. Govind, will you come tomorrow? Ram, yes, I will. Govind, will you stay here tonight? Ram, no, I'll go back. Govind, will you see Raza on Friday? Ram, no, I'll wait for you at home. Now use of will be and shall be. Will you be in the train at this time tomorrow? Rakesh, yes, I'll be about to reach Kanpur at this time tomorrow. Amitabh, shall we not be playing a match at this time tomorrow? Rakesh, yes, we will be. Shall we be coming to Shimla again and again? No, we won't be. Now will have and shall have. Will she have gone? No, she won't have. Will you have come back from Kalka by next month? Yes, I'll have come back by then. Will you have taken your test by this time tomorrow? Yes, I'll have finished an important chapter of my life. Will your brother have returned from Canada? No, he won't have. Now will have been and shall have been. Will you have been sleeping at this time tomorrow? No, probably I shall have been studying at this time. And what will your brother Rajiv have been doing? He will have been preparing to leave for Shimla.